When I was a child, my grandfather showed me a small box of coins and said something that changed my life forever. He said, if you only save money, it will die. If you invest it, it will live. Every evening, just before sunset, Ayan visited his grandfather. Grandfather sat under the old mango tree in the courtyard, his white beard glowing in the soft golden light, a walking stick beside him, eyes full of stories. That day, Ayan ran toward him happily. Dada G, he said, holding a small metal box. I'm saving money. One day I'll be rich. The grandfather smiled. Show me, he said gently. Ayan opened the box. Inside were coins and small notes, neatly arranged. I save every rupee, Ayan said proudly. I don't spend anything. The old man nodded slowly. That's good, he said. But tell me, do you know the difference between saving and growing? Ayan looked confused. The mango tree lesson. The grandfather pointed toward the mango tree. When I was your age, he began, I planted this tree. Ayan looked at it, tall, wide, full of fruit. Imagine, the grandfather said, if I had kept the seed locked in a box, afraid it might rot. Ayan's eyes widened. The seed would have stayed safe, the old man continued, but it would never become this tree. He paused, letting the wind rustle the leaves. Money is the same. Saving money, the grandfather said, is like keeping the seed in your pocket. It feels safe. But investing, he continued, is like planting it in the soil. Ayan asked, but what if the seed dies? The grandfather smiled kindly. That's why we plant wisely. We don't throw seeds anywhere. We choose good soil. When I was young, the grandfather said, I saved money for years. But prices rose, life became expensive, and my saved money became weaker. Then he smiled softly. But the money I invested in learning, in land, in patience, that money grew. The grandfather took one coin from Ayan's box. If I keep this coin here, he said, placing it on the bench, it will be the same after 10 years. But if I teach this coin to work, he continued, it will bring friends. Ayan laughed. Coins can't work, Dadaji. The grandfather laughed too. Then learn to make them work for you. That evening, Ayan closed his box again, but differently. I will still save, he said, but I will also learn to invest. The grandfather placed his hand on the boy's head. Good, he said, because a wise man doesn't just protect money, he teaches it to grow. Years passed, Ayan grew up, and whenever he invested wisely, he remembered the old mango tree and the grandfather who taught him, saved money stays safe, invested money creates a future. So, child, the grandfather's voice echoed, don't lock your money away in fear. Plant it with wisdom and let time do the rest. My grandfather is gone, but his lesson still grows, like the tree he planted. If this lesson touched you, don't let it stop here. Subscribe now and start building the future your grandfather would be proud of.